Okay, so we want to simplify this. Okay, and we want to see if it is simplified. Okay, well, if you look at 56, the factors of it, okay, what you would see is the factors of it are 1, 2, 4 is a factor of 56. I mean, you could keep going, but really just seeing that 4 is a factor is enough, because 4 is a perfect square. I mean, so is 1, but 4 is a perfect square. So that tells you this is not simplified. So that's good. What do? We're going to simplify it. Just move this up. Okay. So now, okay, we're going to have to factor it. So we have 56 is 4 times 56 over 4, which of course is 4 times, if I remember correctly, I think that's 14. Yeah, 14. So because 56 is 4 times 14, we have the square root of it is equal to the square root of 4 times 14, which of course is the square root of 4 times the square root of 14. Again, what are we doing here? We're using the fact that the square root of a product is the product of the square roots. We already saw that the square root of, the square root of 4 is 2. So we have 2 times the square root of 14. But now the question is, what about the square root of 14? So we have to wonder, is that simplified? Let me just move this up a bit. Oh no, I think I clicked the wrong thing. There we go. So now we have to wonder, well, is this simplified? Get out of here. Okay. Okay, well, let's see. What are the factors of 14? Well, the factors of 14, we have 1, we have 2, 7, and 14 itself, I think. But you can see that the only perfect square, from the worksheet, the only perfect square is 1. So because of that, we have the square root of 14 is simplified. So that tells us that when we simplify the square root of 56, we can stop at 2 times the square root of 15. In other words, let me just show you what I mean. In other words, we have this. And that's it. Okay, so that's good. So that's what we do. Okay, are there any, okay, so let me pause this.